At my shop, we work on whatever comes through the door. Asian, domestic, gas, or diesel. We do it all. For cooling system tests, my guys were tired of chasing cap adapters around the shop.
Introducing the OTC 6977 Universal Cooling System Pressure Test Kit.
The kit connects through hose splicers instead of a cap adapter. It comes with 4 splicers that range in size from 1/4 to 5/8, which is perfect for connecting to degas bottles, heater hoses, and bypass hoses. The tool was engineered with extra protection at the base of the pump to prevent damage to the tool and the vehicle. Easy squeeze band clamps for fast and secure setup. Future-proof in mind, it's hard to keep up with all the new caps that are out there, but you can always find a hose to connect to. Also, keep in mind that you are testing the cap at the same time, eliminating the need for even more special adapters. Connecting the tool is simple. Find an accessible hose, disconnect it, and splice in the correct adapter. Couple the pump to the adapter and increase pressure to a safe level. Both the splicers and the pump feature check valves to minimize leaks when disconnecting from a cooling system. Make sure you use caution when releasing the pressure from the system after a test. The kit comes in a rugged case to keep it organized. It also includes a standard cap adapter.
So quit chasing cap adapters around and increase your shop's efficiency with the Universal Cooling System Pressure Test Kit from OTC